Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a paper weaving seahorse. To complete this craft, you will need bubble wrap, cardstock, 1 piece of white for the background, and 3 colors for your seahorse. The seahorse template, scissors, a glue stick, blue paint, a paintbrush, and 1 large googly eye. Here's what you'll do. First, make the background by painting the bubble wrap with the blue paint. Then take the white piece of cardstock and place it on top of the painted bubble wrap. Press firmly and then remove it from the bubble wrap and allow it to dry. Next, cut out the seahorse template. Trace the seahorse onto your desired color of cardstock, and then cut out each of these pieces. You will also need to cut strips from one of your pieces of cardstock to weave through the seahorse belly. Now to cut the weaving lines on the belly. Place the seahorse template on top of the cut seahorse. Then fold both papers so the belly is in half, and cut on the lines. Now it's time to weave. Over, under, over, under. Continue adding strips until the belly is full. Now you can glue the edges of the strips and cut off any excess. Glue the fins and the eye. Glue the seahorse to the background and you are done. Ta-da! Here's the finished paper weaving seahorse. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create.